Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tune into the Crypto Flight Edition. Fellow passengers stopping in. Only technical details on the Litecoin and USD pairing here. What we're going to do is actually see if we can get it right this time. On our last video, we had more of a retracement tone. And I think this video is going to be a little bit more bullish. So stick around to the end. Loyal subscribers, welcome back. If you're new here, consider hitting the subscribe button if you find any valuable information. So let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's March the 14th, 2021, and the current price of Litecoin is going to be $218.84. It's fluctuating there. It's down approximately 3.1% for the day. I know my loyal subscribers, it looks kind of weird. We did some adjusting with the candlesticks, but here's the area that we found, the pattern. That's it. What you're witnessing on the screen is it's kind of a extreme price activity zone, if you want to call it that. The green areas that you're seeing on the screen here, and they actually lasted for like 182 days. Now, I'm not assuming that this is also going to play out exactly the same and last only 182 days, but it kind of gives us a reference point in terms of how much time it would take to at least test or obliterate the all-time highs, which is at about $400. That's actually not my conservative price target that I wanted to kind of go over in this video, but I do have I'm not sure if I actually said it, but I do have a bullish tone on Litecoin, and my conservative price target is going to be, I think it's $322 is what I measured. Yeah, so $322. Let's see if we can get a really quick measurement of how much of a percentage gain it is from here to that level. It's about 46% to the upside. Now, I'm not saying that's the maximum potential. Again, that's just a conservative price target. I do have a $400 price target on Litecoin. I'm just not sure if it's going to test or obliterate that level. But considering the fact, or speculation rather, if you notice just below this price down here, this white line represents $111 or $117 right here. I was able to identify this level as a very interesting price in terms of the price getting above it. But if I just kind of outline the bottom down there, this would be considered consolidation below $117. You see how I kind of made this beautiful W down below the price. This is very bullish. So let me just measure how much time is actually spent below the $117 level, and we can consider that as consolidation. So it's 917 days. That's like so good, like it's not even funny. That amount of time, I think, would be sufficient enough to propel this price to a minimum of $400. I do think that if there were some sort of retracement in this market, let's just say, I don't know, a potential wick in opportunity would be the just over the $114 level. Not saying that's actually going to happen. I mean, more than likely you won't get that opportunity. But again, I mean, if you were to kind of be patient and take a risk, right? A low risk, I think it would be just to set like a limit order just above or just between like 117 all the way up to like $130, just in case there's some sort of nasty weird wick out before the move up. Because again, I'm definitely anticipating a move to the upside on Litecoin. And let me just go ahead and give you the date in terms of the 182-day range that we've already gone over on the chart here. And that's going to extend over to this area here, which is at June I think I measured like June the 22nd, 2021. So from now until June the 22nd, 2021, I'm going to expect to see momentum to the upside as long as the price can stay above $117, which again, I know it's well above that level, but the only thing I do is point out the macroscopic levels of significance in terms of what I can see on the chart. So yeah, I see this steady climbing up as long as the trajectory continue to the upside. Again, June the 22nd, 2021 represents this kind of range of 182 days. Okay, so that's all I have for you wonderful folks. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if this actually comes to fruition. If you're looking at this sometime in June or sometime after June and it's up to like $322 or $400, you know, leave a like or a comment. Say, hey man, you got it right. Also, before you go, we also cover the alternative, the traditional markets. I'm not sure if you guys are into stocks, but we do cover that 7 days a week. We'd love for you to join us here on this interesting journey. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the information when it's available. And we covered everything, guys. So take care of yourselves, protect your portfolios, execute your strategies. We're going to talk soon. Bye for now.